Hello guys, this is our Oshaprapra Soap. Oshaprapra sharp. The meaning of Oshaprapra is sharp results. Yeah, another name is pepper because it gives fast and sharp result. This soap that you are seeing like that, we call it Oshaprapra Soap. So this is the one that I've already made. This is already made Oshaprapra Soap. So I want to teach you people how you're going to produce this soap, like the different items that I use to produce this soap, the different things needed. I'll teach you people how to produce it. But before I teach it, make sure you subscribe to my video, like it, share it, turn on the notification button so you'll be notified anytime I post a new video. This soap is a very good soap, very effective soap. It cleans sunburn, pimples, acne on your face. It makes your skin to be shining, glows and clears your skin. It gives that flawless skin that you always desire. It's also good for knuckles, to clean your knuckles. It helps to clean knuckles, clean dark spots, dark nails, dark underarm, all those areas, dark elbow. It cleans it very well. Okay guys, welcome back. So as we were saying, it is our Oshaprapra. This is already prepared. So these are all the items that I used to produce this soap. So I want to show you the items one after the other so that you too can go home and prepare your own. For those who are doing it for business, yeah, you can go through the items. You go to any organic shop, you look for the items and you prepare it yourself. So what we need first is our Oshaprapra. This is the soap. We call this soap Oshaprapra soap. It is different from black soap. Don't feel that no, this is still black soap. It's a different soap. The name of the soap is Oshaprapra soap. Raw. Yes, raw Oshaprapra soap. Raw Oshaprapra soap. This one now is our Ghana soap, the normal Ghana black soap that we all know. It still is raw normal black soap. We have our ozone soap. Okay, now these soaps, those are the base before you start adding your items, the different items that we have to use for the soap inside. So we first add our pimples bars. Yeah, we call this one pimples bars and anti-reaction bars. We put it inside the soap to prevent any skin infection, whether you have pimples, you have black spots, you have acne, anything on your face, whether it's eczema. These bars will help to clear it off. That's why the bars are very necessary inside our soap. Then we have our Egyptian milk. This Egyptian milk, put your Egyptian milk inside. We have our stretch mark to remove any stretch mark from your body. That's why the soap is very good, because stretch mark treatment is also inside the soap. It helps treat your stretch mark. This is shallow stretch mark. We have our moringa powder. This is moringa. Moringa too is very medicinal. So we put our moringa powder inside our soap. This one is our whitening glycerin. Yes, it's a glycerin to clean your skin. We add it inside the soap also. This one is our turmeric powder. We all know what turmeric does on our body. So we put turmeric powder inside the soap. This is our anti-skin reaction. That skin reaction, anti-skin reaction oil. We put our anti-skin reaction oil also inside the soap. And this one is our skin booster. It boosts your skin, boosts your color. So we put our skin booster also inside the soap. So those are all the items that I've named inside the soap. We put everything together. When you put it together, you soak it. The honey, we need honey, but honey is the last thing to put in. So all these ones that I've named like that, you put it inside, you soak it, like 1 liter of water. You put 1 liter of water, soak it and keep it for 2 days. You soak, this is the one that I soak. You soak and keep it for 2 days. So after 2 days now, you get your mortar. Carry everything, put it inside your mortar and pound. Then as you are pounding, you add your honey. This honey. As you are pounding, you add honey inside. So you pound very well. So after pounding, this is what you will get. This is the soap. A very strong and effective soap for pimples, for acne, sunburn, stretch mark, everything in your skin. It removes it, cleans to give you that uniform complexion that you always desire, give you that flawless complexion that you always desire. So this soap is one in everything. It's a very good soap. Place your orders. As I said earlier, I do worldwide delivery. I send throughout the world. So anywhere that you are, I'll send it to you through either DHL or post office. So just contact us through our comment section, yeah, and place your order. Thank you so much for watching. It's not easy, oh. Try. That's what you're doing. I need to tell us it's easy. I think my boy is that. You wear, but that gloves, you never buy gloves here.
Até porque você deu nada, não can't name to black soap chef.
Well, this is supposed to... Harry.
I'm going to take this
video
for you. No, please don't help me. You're not moving up on that day. I don't feel like pounding.
Go. Turn up.
Yeah, when it's so
Go. Okay, Biki talk now, madam. Biki talk. No, let me the thing shake. Biki talk.
Hello, viewers. You see how it's very difficult to come out with organic soaps. That in short, everything organic. It takes time and patience. So please support us by subscribing to our channel. Please subscribe to our channel. It's not easy. Subscribe. I also do worldwide delivery. Yeah, anywhere that you are, just leave if you want to buy, just leave your intent at the comment section that you need the soap, and we'll reply you and get to you. Yeah, we send through DHL to everywhere, anywhere that you are, we can send it to you.